Ladies and gentlemen, it's Raghav Tiwari
And I, Dhairya Malhotra, are here to present our proposal that the cloud chamber can be used as a safety measure against the disaster caused by the radiation leaks in the industries.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you to discuss a revolutionary advancement in the field of radiation detection that holds the potential to prevent casualties in industries. The technology I am referring to is cloud chamber. This igneous device has brought about a paradigmatic shift in our ability to detect and mitigate the radiation risk, therefore safeguarding both workers and the environment in the industrial setting.
Radiations, as we all know, is a double-edged sword. While it is a numerous beneficial application in industries, medicine and research, its unchecked exposure can lead to a severe health risk, environmental damages, etc. This is where the cloud chamber comes to play into an important and innovative tool that offers real-time visualization and tracking of radiation particles.
Imagine a chamber filled with a supersaturated vapor or gas mixture. When a radioactive particle enters this chamber, it ionizes the surrounding gas molecule along its path, creating a trail of ionized particles. These ions serve as nucleation points for condensation, allowing the vapor to condense into visible droplets, effectively forming a cloud. Among the particle path, the cloud becomes a visual representation of the radiation particle movement.
The significance of the cloud chamber lies in its ability to provide a tangible, observable record of radiations present. In industrial environments where radiation sources might be used, this technology can offer multiple advantages.
Early warning system. Cloud chamber act as an early warning system by providing real-time feedback on the presence of radiation. This allows workers to take immediate actions to mitigate exposure and avoid potential hazards.
The next advantage is enhanced training. By visualizing the movement of radiation particles, the cloud chamber aids in the training of personnel. Workers can better understand the behavior of radiations, enabling them to adopt safer practices and make informed decisions.
Safety assessments. Regular use of cloud chambers can aid in assessing the effectiveness of safety measures and containment protocols. Many breaches or leaks can be detected promptly, minimizing the chances of contamination.
So, concluding our point that the cloud chamber is the most effective way to prevent the precious lives of the people and the environmental damage caused by the radiation. Thank you.